Types of dysmenorrhea. Primary dysmenorrhea and secondary. In primary, there is no identifiable pelvic pathology, and in secondary dysmenorrhea, pain occurs due to the pelvic pathology. Primary dysmenorrhea. Incidence of primary dysmenorrhea. Primary dysmenorrhea mainly occurs 5 to 10% in women with the reproductive age. Causes of primary dysmenorrhea. Dysrhythmic uterine contractions. These contractions may be occurred due to the cold environment and then uterine hypoxia and ischemia. After that, in the presence of hypoxia and ischemia, pain will be there. Causes of primary dysmenorrhea. Mainly it occurs in the adolescent girls, which is related to the ovulatory cycle. Psychosomatic factors like tension and anxiety, lower pain threshold, abnormal anatomical and functional aspects of uterus like stenosis at the internal os, inappropriate law of the polarity, uterine myometrial hyperactivity, imbalance in the autonomic and nervous control, then role of vasopressin, role of prostaglandins. Clinical features of primary dysmenorrhea begin few hours before or just with the onset of menstruation. Last for few hours, may extend to 24 hours but rarely 48 hours. Spasmodic and confined to lower abdomen and may radiate to back and medial aspect of the thigh. Nausea, vomiting, fatigue, diarrhea, headache, vasomotor changes like pallor, cold sweat and fainting. Treatment of the primary dysmenorrhea. Improve the general health, psychotherapy, explanation and assurance, mild analgesic and antispasmodic drugs like aspirin, ibuprofen, etc. In case of severity, antiprostaglandins, you can say prostaglandin synthetase inhibitors like mefenamic acid 250 to 500 mg, flumenamic acid 100 to 200 mg 8 hourly, propanoic acid derivative ibuprofen 400 mg 8 hourly. Then it may be given orally. Oral contraceptive pills we can also give. Then prostaglandin synthase inhibitors. जो prostaglandins है, prostaglandin synthetase inhibitor we can give orally. Surgical treatment of primary dysmenorrhea. Dilatation of the cervical canal, bilateral block of the pelvic plexus like paracervical block with the alcohol, then presacral neurectomy. Besides these treatments, we can encourage the adolescent girls for the regular exercise. Hot bath may be given for the temporary relief. Secondary dysmenorrhea. Definition of secondary dysmenorrhea is pain occurs in the presence of pelvic pathology. It means the cramps caused by the another medical problems such as endometritis, PID, pelvic inflammatory disease, fibroids, presence of fibroids, intrauterine devices. This condition usually occurs in the older women. Pathology of secondary dysmenorrhea. Premenstrual pelvic congestion or increased vascularity due to any cause, then increased tension in the pelvic tissues. After that, pain occurs. Causes of secondary dysmenorrhea are chronic pelvic infection, pelvic endometritis, adenomyosis, uterine fibroid, endometrial polyp. Clinical features. Pain is dull. In this condition, dull pain may be occur in the lower abdomen situated in the back and front without any radiation. Appears 3 to 5 days prior to the period, then relieves with the start of bleeding. Then treatment. Treatment is same as primary dysmenorrhea. Anti-prostaglandins may be given. Anti-inflammatory drugs, ibuprofen may be given to the adolescent girl. Then assurance and the analgesics may also be given to relieve the pain. Then menorrhagia, it may also called hypermenorrhea. Definition: menorrhagia is defined as a cyclic bleeding at normal intervals. Bleeding is either excessive in amount or duration or both. Means it is an abnormally heavy and prolonged menstrual period at the regular intervals. Causes: organic causes, it includes fibroid uterus, adenomyosis, pelvic endometriosis, intrauterine contraceptive devices in utero, chronic tubo-ovarian mass, tubercular endometritis, retroverted uterus. The systemic causes are liver dysfunction, severe hypertension, endocrinial functions are causes hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism. Hematological disorders like leukemia, von Willebrand's disease. Von Willebrand's disease means there will be deficiency of the clotting protein. Functional causes: hypothalamus, pituitary, ovarian and endometrial axis. All these glands may be dysfunctioned. Diagnosis: long duration of flow, passage of big clots, pallor and low HB. Then treatment appropriate to the cause for the menorrhagia. In this treatment, women should eat a properly balanced diet. Obese women should restrict the amount of fat in their diet, and they should exercise moderately to maintain the body weight. A moderate exercise program may restore the normal periods. Then finding ways to deal with the stress and conflict may help for the endometrial stress. Maintain healthy lifestyle. Epimenorrhea, may also called polymenorrhea. Definition: it is defined as a cyclic bleeding where the cycle is reduced to an arbitrary limit of 21 days or less and remains constant at that frequency. If frequent cycle is associated with the excessive and prolonged bleeding, it is called epimenorrhea. It means there will be gap between the two periods is reduced, means less than 21 days. It may be 17 days, 15 days, 19 days. Then causes: hyperstimulation of the ovary by the pituitary hormone. It may occur in the adolescent preceding menopause, following the delivery and abortion. In case of PID, means pelvic inflammatory disease and ovarian endometritis. Then treatment: hormonal therapy is given to the women of the reproductive age. Next menstrual disorder is metrorrhagia. Definition: metrorrhagia is defined as irregular acyclic bleeding from the uterus. Bleeding from any part of the genital tract is included under the metrorrhagia. किसी भी टाइप की bleeding है, it included under the metrorrhagia. Contact bleeding or intermenstrual bleeding is also included. It is a more serious condition. Causes of metrorrhagia are cervical cancer, polyp infection due to any cause, cervical endometritis, ovular bleeding, intrauterine contraceptive devices. Treatment of menorrhagia: malignancy should be excluded and treatment to underlying the pathology according to cause treatment is given. For example, in case of heavy bleeding, if the bleeding cannot be stopped, blood transfusion must be taken promptly. If bleeding is elevated, treatment should be selected according to the condition of the patient. Next is menometrorrhagia. Definition: when the bleeding is so irregular and excessive that the menses cannot be identified at all. Definition: metrorrhagia is defined as irregular acyclic bleeding from the uterus. Bleeding from any part of the genital tract is included under the metrorrhagia. किसी भी type की bleeding है, it included under the metrorrhagia. Contact bleeding or intermenstrual bleeding is also included. It is a more serious condition. Causes of metrorrhagia are cervical cancer, polyp infection due to any cause, cervical endometritis, oligomenorrhea. Definition: menstrual bleeding occurring more than 35 days apart and which remains constant at that frequency is called oligomenorrhea. Causes are age, obesity, stress and exercise, PCOD means polycystic ovarian disease, hyperprolactemia, hyperthyroidism, and androgen producing tumors, tubercular endometritis. Diagnosis: long duration of. Definition: when the menstrual period is unduly scanty, means that there will be less bleeding and last for less than 2 days, means that occurs less than 2 days is called hypomenorrhea. Causes: uterine ischemia, endometrial tuberculosis, thyroid dysfunction, premenopausal period and malnutrition. Next disorder is amenorrhea. Amenorrhea means absence of menstruation. Types of amenorrhea: primary and secondary. In primary, delay of menarche past 17 years of age, means the absence of the menstrual bleeding and the secondary sexual characteristics in a girl by the age of 17 years. And in secondary, menses ceases sometimes after the menarche, means the absence of menstrual bleeding in the women who had been menstruating but later stopped the menstruating for the 3 or more months, in the absence of pregnancy, lactation और menopause, मीन्स कि इन किसी भी और रीज़न की वजह से एमेनोरिया हो सकता है. Causes of primary amenorrhea are anatomical defects in the structure of the uterus and vagina, imperforate hymen, little or no development of the secondary sex characteristics, genetic defects, intracranial lesions and pituitary failure. Causes of secondary amenorrhea: organic brain disease, ovarian neoplasm, polycystic ovary, nutritional deficiencies, psychological disturbances, oral contraceptives. Because secondary amenorrhea may occur due to any medical condition or the medicine, there will be no pregnancy, no lactation and menopause. Next menstrual disorder is metrorrhagia. Treatment of the primary dysmenorrhea: improve the general health, psychotherapy, explanation and assurance, mild analgesic and antispasmodic drugs like aspirin, ibuprofen, etc.